Hello guys, welcome to the Future Internet Cafe. My name is Catherine. In today's video, we are going to look at how to apply for a duplicate ID online via eCitizen. So to begin, head over to eCitizen and click on sign in. Once you click on sign in, enter your email address / ID number, your password, and click on sign in. It's going to open your account, so make sure that it's your account. Verify the details to make sure it's yours. Scroll down and click on National Registration Bureau. It's going to open the National Registration Bureau dashboard. Click on sign in. Click on login with eCitizen. Choose your personal account. Again, confirm that you're signing in using your details, so click on continue once you make sure the details are yours. If it's not your account, log out and repeat the process. Once the National Registration Bureau site portal opens, click on issuance of duplicate identity card. Read the requirements. The requirements are a police abstract and a copy of your identity card, the one that you lost, or any document that has your ID number. The fee is $10.50, so click on next. The first step is the applicant details. It's going to populate using your details based on your eCitizen account, so you can't change anything there, so just click on next. Choose the registration office where you want to submit your application and click on next. Attach your police abstract and a copy of your ID and click on preview. So once you preview and make sure all the details are correct, click on complete, and the next stage is to make the payment of $10.50, and you can book an appointment to go and submit your application, have your photo taken, and submit your national ID application. Thank you so much for watching. My name is Catherine, and in today's video we covered on how you can apply for a duplicate ID on eCitizen. So you don't have to go to Huduma Center and do all that, but once you complete the application, you still have to visit the registration office that you chose to submit your application and receive your identity card. So thank you for watching, and till next time, bye bye.